Hey there, gaming enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting treat for you, the ASUS TUF F17 gaming laptop. Get ready to dive into the world of unparalleled gaming performance and stunning visuals. I'm your host, Jermaine, and let's not waste any time and jump right into the details. Let's kick things off with a look at the heart of this beast. ASUS TUF F17 gaming laptop packs the power of an Intel Core i5-11400H processor, boasting a staggering clock speed of up to 4.5 GHz across its 6 cores. That means seamless multitasking and lightning-fast processing power for all your gaming needs. Elevate your gaming experience with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3054GB GDDR6 Graphics, capable of reaching up to 1600 MHz at 60W. And with Dynamic Boost 2.0, you can push that to 75W for those graphics-intensive moments. The laptop features a stunning 17.3, 144Hz Full HD IPS-Type display. Get ready for jaw-dropping visuals with a 1920 by 1080 resolution and an aspect ratio of 16:9. Immerse yourself in every gaming world with this brilliant display. Load up your games lightning fast with the 512GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD. And experience smoother gameplay with 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM. But it's not just about what's inside, the exterior and build of a gaming laptop matter too. The ASUS TUF F17 boasts MIL-STD810H military standard construction, ensuring durability and reliability that's built to withstand the rigors of gaming life. Dual fans with anti-dust technology are on the job to extend your system's longevity. Say goodbye to worries about overheating and dust buildup. Enjoy a comfortable and visually stunning gaming experience, thanks to the RGB backlit keyboard rated for an impressive 20 million keystroke durability. Now, let's talk connectivity and future-proofing your gaming setup. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, and enjoy seamless wireless gaming. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures hassle-free connections to your favorite peripherals. The ASUS TUF F17's easy upgrade design lets you effortlessly add or replace memory and storage, giving you the freedom to keep up with the ever-evolving gaming landscape. But wait, as a bonus, with your purchase, you'll receive 30 days of Xbox Game Pass for PC. Dive into an extensive game catalog and experience gaming like never before. Ladies and gentlemen, that wraps up our overview of the ASUS TUF F17 gaming laptop. Unleash the power of Intel Core i5, NVIDIA GeForce Graphics, and a stunning 144Hz display, all wrapped in a durable and stylish package. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Until next time, happy gaming!